Hi and welcome to Smart Trade App's how-to videos. My name is Kent Vorland and today I'll be showing you how to send a Paylink from your online dashboard. First of all, a Paylink is very simply an online invoice that you can send to your customers via their email inbox. That means they receive a link they can click, enter their own card details and pay you in their own time. Very handy to have if your customer isn't with you at the time you chase the payment, or if they're weary about handing over their card details. This way, they can enter their own details at their own time in the comfort of their own home. From your home page in the dashboard, I'm going to first start taking a card payment. In this case, I'm going to set up a job for boiler service at a total of £150 excluding the VAT. In the third step, you can choose the payment type. You can choose card payment, cash payment, or in this case, we're going to accept a Paylink. I've already got a customer set up for this job, so the fields have already been filled out for me. However, if you do not have a customer set up, you can simply add a new one by clicking either of the fields and you'll get the option to set up a new customer in the top right corner, or you can choose any of the other customers that you already have in your system. I'm going to go ahead and send the Paylink to John, after which I'm going to end up on this confirmation page that says the Paylink has been sent and shows me the invoice that my customer is receiving in their email. That's how easy it is to send a Paylink from your online dashboard. My name is Kent Vorland. Don't forget to check out our other how-to videos. Thank you very much for watching.